Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create link for photos and videos in Google Drive. So first you open your drive in your computer or you can use your phone. Then here you will see the button new, you click on that, and here you can choose new folder, you just click on that, you can name it as you want, then you just click on create. After that, as you can see here, you have your folder created, you just click on that, and then you go back and click on this button new. Then you click on file upload. Then you just choose the photos or the videos that you want to upload in your drive. For example, we want to upload this one. You just click here open. You just wait till the upload completed. Then here, as you can see, you have your folder. You can go back, and here in the folder you will see the three dots here. You just click on that. Then you will see the button share. You click on that, and you can either copy link or share. After that, here you need to change the general access to anyone with the link, and then you need to change from viewer to editor so that the other people that have the link can download your photos or videos. Then you just click on copy link, done. Then you go and share that link with the people that you want. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.